Thank you for purchasing a CareCo scooter and battery. In this video, we'll show you the proper procedure for wiring up the batteries to your scooter. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be using a Victory Pavement Scooter, but the method of battery installation seen here can be used on other models. First, lift off the shrouding on the back of the scooter. Here you will find two sets of cables that connect to the batteries. Disconnect these two cables by the red plugs and set the cables aside, one for each battery. This scooter requires two 12-volt, 34 amp-hour sealed lead-acid batteries. Once unboxed, remove the screws on either end of the battery to unlock the terminals. Make sure you keep the screws with their respective washers. Take a cable and push the rubber cover back to reveal the metal ring on the end. Now you can connect the cable to the battery. With the washers now realigned with the screw, feed the cable end under the handle and connect it to the terminal on top. Make sure the black end of the cable connects to the negative terminal and the red end is connected to the positive terminal. Connect the ring with the terminal using the screw and tighten with a spanner to make sure it's fully secure. When in place, push down the rubber cable cover to protect the terminal. Repeat this process with the other cable on the second battery. Once you have dropped the cable onto the battery, you are now ready to put them onto the scooter. Remove these Velcro straps, then carefully place the battery on the platform. Secure the battery in place using the Velcro strap. This will prevent the battery from moving around and becoming disconnected when driving the scooter over rough and rugged terrain. Remember to do this for both batteries. Join the two halves together, red to red and then black to black. Then the final part is to connect the batteries to the scooter by attaching the remaining black plug, which will make the scooter live. Prior to putting the shroud on, turn the ignition key to see if you have power and pull the wigwag or throttle. A green light will come on if you have power, and you can see how much charge is in the batteries on the battery gauge. Once this is done, drop the shrouding back into place. If you have any further questions about the use and installation of the batteries on your scooter, you can call our customer services line, visit our website, or pop into one of our showrooms to speak to a staff member in person. Thanks for watching. Take care.